Hey everyone. Okay, so you're all on lockdown too, probably. It's not until somebody yells from the kitchen, "Oh no!" They drop their phone and they crack their screen in a million places that you say, well, we'll just get the screen replaced or repaired, and you find out that you can't during the pandemic. So if you can, it's a long drive or it's going to take a while, and you don't want to mail your phone away for 5 days. I'm up with a workaround, and so I just want to show you a little fix today, temporary fix to get you through until you get a replacement phone or until you can get your screen repaired. As you can see here, this is the cracked screen, and what I've done is I've just used some regular contact paper, the clear matte kind. So if you're a parent, you probably have tons of this lying around from kids' books. And if you're not a parent, you can probably still get this even at grocery stores. And it's a self-adhesive, but it's not so adhesive that it will never come off. And so lay the contact paper over and cut out a piece. Okay. When you peel this back, you lay it right over the phone, but from one corner to the other. Keep the phone flat. Have some overlap, of course, and then just lay it down, and don't press too hard because you may have glass pieces coming up, and then just like lay it down over the edge. Either take a pencil and rub it, or even a popsicle stick would work great just to get out many of these little bubbles, and you just work your way down the phone. Okay, you're going to have some little surface variations from where the screen is cracked. As you'll see here, we have still some little bubbles that you can't get rid of everything, but at least it gives you a surface you won't cut your finger on. You can take an X-Acto knife or a very sharp pair of scissors and just run the blade around the edge of the phone here, and you're just going to cut off the edge of the contact paper at the edge of the screen. Preferably leave a little lip around the corners. Okay, that's going to allow you to tuck some of this into your case, whatever case you might have. Okay, because you don't want to have it flap up on you when it's in your case and then have shards of glass coming out. X-Acto does make it easier, but if you don't have one, like I said, sharp scissors will do the trick. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because again, this is just a fix to get you hopefully only a week or two. Then hold down on the corner of your screen and pull up. Get this excess just like that. Okay, and now if you want, you can test it here before you put your case on, but you'll see that it's very responsive. It works right through the contact paper, and so it's also clear enough that you can see it for most things. Yes, you're going to see some marks here, so you can see that if you're looking at one of my videos, you'll see all those crack lines. It's still viewable. And the last step is you put your case back on. If you have one of these, flexible cases, all the better. You just slip your phone back in underneath carefully, and then you can either take the pencil, the scissors, or even the back end of the X-Acto knife, and you just tuck in that extra piece of contact paper under the corner of your screen, and you work your whole way around, even your thumbnail if you want, just to keep that extra lip tucked in behind the edge of the case. Okay, and then that will keep all those glass pieces down and flat on the surface of the phone so they won't cut your fingers, and then you can use the phone as normal. You can also, if you want, carefully take an X-Acto knife to cut out the hole for the speaker and the microphone up here at the top of your phone or wherever it is on your phone, but you don't have to. You can still hear through it. And so that is the hack for giving you guys a temporary workaround here during the pandemic lockdown in case your phone screen breaks and you feel like you're stuck. So I hope that helped, and good luck to everyone.